Today's video is going to be about decluttering and cleaning my work desk, computer desk, whatever you want to call it, because it's sometimes just like a computer desk, and for some people it's just, it's actually it's a work desk. Now, as you can see, it is a mess, you guys, and I was so tired of so much stuff being around there, and because I decided that I want to become a minimalist, I feel like being a minimalist is going to be so perfect for me as a mom of 5. Seriously, clutter stresses me out. I'm telling you, this desk was stressing me out. And so we're going to declutter and make it more minimal work desk / computer desk for me and the kids. Also, you guys, after decluttering the desk, it's been so easy to keep it clean. There has been an occasion kids have been come and they draw on it and stuff, but it's been kept to a minimal. It's really simple. It's literally you go there, less than 1 minute, you just clean it up. Seriously, been able to maintain the minimalism around that desk. Seriously, it has satisfied me so much, you guys. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, because I am in this minimalist journey. I am going through this minimalist journey because I feel like it's just going to be so healthy for me as a mum, because I feel like the past couple of weeks I have seriously been stressed out about the house and how there's so much stuff and I can't get so much stuff done. And even if I want to clean, it's I have to clean, so I have to remove wipe down so many ornaments and stuff, and it's like, oh my goodness, it's just It's too much. Clothes as well. I'm decluttering clothes. I feel like we've got too many clothes, so I'm going to be decluttering that. Just so many stuff in the house I'm decluttering. And I'm just going to show you guys how things look afterwards. I do like cleaning videos of me maintaining that minimalist lifestyle in my home. So take care of yourselves, guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, bye. See you next time.